Alright guys, I got something really exciting here. We've been working on this for a long time. For the 07 to 18 JKs, we've always had steel flares, really well made, some of the easiest on the market to install, actually the easiest on the market to install, complete kit with the side markers. We now have them in aluminum. What's really cool is these are approximately 12 inches wide instead of 10. Chris, let's open these up and check them out.
Yep.
I think you're going to be shocked at the killer quality. Lighter weight, but what's nice about the aluminum flares is you don't have to worry about rust, ever. And what we have done versus most other manufacturers out there that are doing aluminum flares, and Chris, you'll attest to this, is most of them are not coating theirs, they just show up bare aluminum.
Yeah.
And you have to paint them or coat them yourself. Well, not at Black Mountain. Check out how nicely these things are boxed. It took them a tremendous amount of time at the plant designing these boxes so we can get them. But what I really want to see, Chris, are these wide ones. So what we've got now, the flares that we show now are steel are approximately 10 inches wide. These are closer to 12 in the front. There's another reason why we did this. So some states are requiring for your tire to be covered in the front, we need a wider flare. These will cover up to 37 inch tire. They'll completely cover 35. Look at that. That is freaking beautiful. Tell me that won't cover some big hoops. That should cover a 37 inch thing, Chris.
Probably a 40.
I don't know about that. That is killer. So what we're going to do is we're going to install the extra wide flares and our regular size set of flares, one on each side. Put a set of 35s on it, just so you can see how they look. But the quality is just fantastic. So please watch this, watch the install, and these will be ready soon for sale. the aluminum flares are now installed and they're killer, so check this out. This is about 10 inches on the flat area. At the biggest point, it's about 10 and a half. And this one is 12 inches on the flat spot, about 12 and a half. So as you can see, it covers this 35. It'll also cover 37. And this one almost covers the 35. Still a really cool look. So let's see what the difference is in the rears. So the wide rear, at its widest point, is about 7 inches. As you can see, it fully covers this 35. It'll cover 37 as well. On the top, we're about 6 and a half. 6 on the flat spot, we'll give it that. We'll go to the narrower flare, it's 4. So on the narrow flares, you got 4 in the back, 10 in the front. The wide flares, you got 12 in the front, 6 in the back. Now, this is a stage 2 build, so it's got a 3-inch lift, rear rock bumper, D-rings, isolators, heavy-duty tire carrier, light guards, black mountain fuel door, bam, our black mountain sidebars, A-pillar pod, super slick for the LEDs, all the grab handle kit. But the reason we're showing you this for the aluminum flares, first 100 people that buy these, there's going to be an introductory price, so watch this and save it. There's an angry grill, 8,000-pound winch, heat reduction hood. Again, this will fit the 07 to 18 JKs. This front bumper right here will also fit your JL. So thanks for watching. Buy your aluminum flares. They're killer. You won't have to worry about rust.